Hey guys, today I'm going to open a Barbie bowl dresses. So let's open it up. Whoa. There, I will open it up. Just that. No, that doesn't matter. So there we have all of them. So let's now get all of this stuff open. So we have here necklace. A necklace there. And we have this bag, a purple bag. Let me take this off. There. A purple bag. Candle. Maybe a candle for your bracelets, I don't know. But it's something for Barbie. So let's open. Let's get these two shoes out. So here are the two shoes. The high heel shoes, of course, for Barbie. We have both sides a bow and they're really high. So I'm going to put them here. And so let's get this. Let's get this. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. The long sleeve. Just with the long sleeve. And we have a perfume, a blue perfume. Let's see. I did like this. Ooh, I like this dress, so I don't want to break it. Oh, how do you do this? Mama. There. There. Oh, no. I just want to get this thing off. Ooh, I like this one. I have some more pair of shoes. Them. One. Already. And I have two. They are purple ones. Very glittery. High heels. They always have high heels. And the last. Ooh. What is this? It's a shell for the dress. Like this. And if you just wait. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.